Hello, friends and family.
Hey Eli, what's new with you this year?
Kids again.
You joined Cub Scouts. That sounds pretty cool. What are you Cub Scouts doing this year?
Selling popcorn.
You're selling popcorn? That sounds really good. What kind of different varieties and things do you have to offer?
Lots of them.
Whoa, that sounds crazy. Is that popcorn any good?
Yes, it's the best one I ever tasted.
And Eli, what sort of things is this popcorn going to help pay for? What kind of activities is the Cub Scouts going to do?
Lots of them.
Like what?
Like fishing.
Fishing. That sounds fun.
Camping. Even archery. Archery's my favorite.
Archery? That sounds like a blast. So I think people are going to want to order right away. How can they do it?
Just follow the link.
So there'll be a link right in the message, and they can just follow that to the website. Well, when do they have to have their order in?
Please order October 20th.
So October 20th is the deadline?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that sounds pretty cool. So we'll just make sure they go online and get that order in.
Yeah, I actually want to buy some right now.
You want to buy some right now? So okay.
Thank you for supporting us.